How to transfer money from Scotia credit card to your bank account. Today I'm going to clear all of your doubts. So first, a lot of people think that the credit card contains the money and credit card is actually have some money inside it. However, they think, well, actually this thing is not true. Credit card is actually connected to a bank account which have some money into it. So you're using the credit card as a source of medium to transfer money from your bank account to wherever you want to spend. If you want to know how to put your credit card money into any other bank account, you just have to log into your credit card's bank account and then simply make a transaction. So today I'm going to show you how exactly you will be able to do it from Scotia Bank. For that, you have to open up your app and then simply tap on the transfer between accounts option. Now, just select from which account you want to transfer. You have to select the one that has the credit card. Now, after selecting that, you have to select in which account you want to get your money. Afterwards, you just have to enter the amount and all the details and your money will be transferred. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.